What's up, guys? It's Jackson again.
Hey, it's Conrad. Um, for this assignment, we had the first two questions again on this second half of the reading. And so our question from chapter 6 is, why did selection favor both older large birds and younger small birds? And for the older large birds, mainly selection favors them because since they're fully developed and they're matured, they're able to basically crack the harder seeds, and since they're larger, they're going to need to consume more. And so once the easier seeds become scarce, they're still able to crack harder seeds, and basically and receive the nutrients that way.
And the reason why the doesn't favor too well for the juvenile birds is because their beaks haven't quite fully developed yet, and because they're still growing, still trying to mature, they require more food in order to do that. And because their beaks aren't fully developed, they're having to work extra hard, exert extra energy in order to find seeds suitable for them and get enough seeds in order to survive on that.
Yeah. And then for question 2, the question is, if females select for black plumage, why are there birds with, or any brown birds? And so for that, we basically talked about how birds that retain their brown plumage it's a selective advantage for them because it allows them to build up territory and have a better chance at surviving and reproducing, which allows them, success because they're able to have offspring and pass their genes along.
And just to add to that, every color is going to have its advantage. Where the black bird's advantage is that's what females are selecting for in order to mate. And so by having that brown plumage, the other males for them because they're not ready to mate yet. So having that's basically an advantage for survival. To form their worry about fighting other males.
Yeah.